All right, guys, so here I am on a Saturday, hot Saturday, up here taping off the sidewalk out front of the school. So your lesson today is you're going to take sidewalk chalk and you're going to fill in all these amazing shapes that we've done. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to show you what we're talking about. So along the sidewalk, you're going to see some baskets of chalk, and I have separated these chalk pieces into warm in the first basket, cool colors, and neutral colors. So you're going to pick one of these colors, any one you like, and you're going to come over to these grids. You see these grids? Some of them are in blue, some of them are in white tape. Just depends on when I ran out of tape. So you're going to take these pieces of chalk here and you're going to start filling in all of these cool little shapes, okay? So here, I'll let you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to pick a color. Any color will do. And I'm going to make sure that all of my lines here are nice and straight. If there's any that hang over, I'm going to peel that tape up just a little bit and tear it off. And then you can just stick it back to itself if you want to. But make sure that these lines here are nice and straight. We want lots of geometric shapes. So I'm going to take my chalk, and you can see I'm not coloring solid because I'm going to have lots of chalk dust. And we talk about chalk dust whenever we have our chalk pastels out. So I'm going to take my hand, and just like I do on my paper, I am going to rub it into the concrete. Okay? And if I still see some spots, I'm going to go back over it. But I'm going to color in the whole shape. Now you can go to any of the squares on the sidewalk. It doesn't matter what square you go to. You can go to any square and color in, okay? Now if you get rowdy or you get to acting a fool, you're gonna have to sit down and you're not gonna get to do it, okay? You're gonna get messy. You're gonna get chalky. Do we have soap in the sink? Yes. Do we have water in the sink? Yes. So don't worry about it, okay? When everything is over with next Friday, this Friday, when the art show is about to happen. Okay guys, it's so hot out here. So, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, so don't peel the tape up. That's the main important thing. Because if you peel the tape up, the classes that come in on Friday or Thursday or Wednesday or Tuesday, they will not have tape. They will not have shapes, because the tape is what makes the shape. So leave the tape alone. Unless it's in your way, unless it's not creating a straight line, then you can tear a tiny bit, but you're not gonna tear any more of the tape than you absolutely have to. On Thursday night, I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna peel up all this tape. And then when you come to school on Friday, you're gonna see these beautiful mosaic tiles everywhere, all different colors. We wanna color each one of these shapes a single color. How many colors? One color. Because our lines on our tape are creating our pattern, not our chalk. Our chalk is just the filler. We also don't want to color two shapes the same color that are sitting next to each other, that are neighbors on the grid. So if I did this one purple, I'm gonna make sure I do this one another color, pink, orange. I'm gonna alternate. So I might do one warm color, or one blah, blah, blah. Words are hard. One warm color and one cool color, and then I might go in neutral. And then I might kind of just go in a pattern. Neutral, cool, warm. Neutral, cool, warm. And keep going in a circle like that. Put your chalk, when you're finished, when you do a shape, put your chalk back in the basket so somebody else can find it. I know it's kind of a hassle because this sidewalk is really long. And I'm gonna try to spread them out all the way down. But if somebody's looking for that color and you have it because you didn't put it back, then they're gonna be frustrated. So put it back and get another color and come back one piece of chalk at a time. I better not see somebody hoarding up 5 or 6 pieces of chalk because they want to use all the colors. That's fine if you want to use all the colors. I want you to use all the colors. But I want you to do it one at a time. That way everyone has the opportunity to do some coloring. You're only going to be out here 30 minutes because you need time to cool down. You need time to clean up because we get real dirty in the art room. And then you are going to go back to your classroom. So, did I cover everything? You think? Maybe? If you can think of anything else, raise your hand, tell the class. Have fun. Let's get started. It's gonna be so much fun.